Hello, I'm Russ from RT Sales. This is one of our reconditioned Berco RAC 1500 camshaft grinders. This machine has been gone through, table checked out, table is straight, head and tail stock have the proper alignment. We went through, changed the spindle oil, hydraulic oil. Everything has been, the tilt mechanism has been refurbished back here with new seals. Headstock motor has also been rebuilt. This machine is available. Mel will grind a camshaft journal on the machine right now. Okay, back up. Automatic feed on this machine, which most machines have, is operative and working. As you can see, all right, take it out and then push it back. This machine has been all checked out and is available. Please call Russ at RT Sales 248-887-0422. Have a great day.